welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little bit more creative and we're doing some illusion makeup. So we're making it look like that we're wearing a mask with makeup, which is kind of what we do anyways. But this one is just half of my face and I did a really cool, different, like colorful eye look and I put on some lashes and I really like the way it turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with a clean face and I'm going to start by sketching out the shape of the mask on this side of my face. So I'm going to take just an angled brush and I'm going into some contour shade. So I'm using my Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm going in and I'm going to start sketching out the shape. So above the eyebrow, I'm just making a rounded edge. And then down my nose, we can just make a straight edge down the center. Then down my upper lip, we can just make another straight line. And then under the lip, it kind of curves out and around like that. And then we're just going to connect these two lines. Perfect, so now we have our mask sketched out, so now we're going to fill it in with some foundation. So I'm taking the NARS foundation in the shade Oslo, and I'm just putting that on Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to carefully bounce that in, trying my best to stay inside the lines, but it doesn't really matter. We can just go in with a makeup wipe and fix it if we have to. Alright, now I'm just taking some Tape Shape and concealing my under eye and down the side of the nose like that. And we're just also going to blend that in using a Beauty Blender. Alright, now I'm just going to set the face using some Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder on a Beauty Blender. We're just going to set under the eyes, my smile lines, and my nose. Alright, now I'm just going to go in and contour using the Butter Bronzer. So I think I'm just going to kind of contour where I normally contour and then erase it later using a makeup wipe. That way everything looks like I normally do my makeup. Alright, now we're going in with some blush from this Tarte blush palette. I'm going to go in with the hot pink shade called Exhilarating and just really do some heavy makeup on this mask because I want the contrast between the mask and my normal face to be pretty severe. Alright, now I'm just taking a highlighting brush and some Fenty highlighter and I'm just going to go in with the shade Fire Crystal and highlight my cheekbones. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a makeup wipe and just clean up the edges. Alright, so I cleaned up the edges and now I'm going to do my brows. Alright, and for my eye look today, I want to do something really crazy and fun, so I'm going to use the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette, and I just want to do something really colorful and different. So I'm going to take the color Exodus, which is a lime green shade, and blend that into the crease. Now I'm going to take the color Exorcism and put that right on the outer corner and also on the inner corner as well. Alright, now I'm going to take the color Relic, which is a very bright yellow gold color, and spray my brush and apply that right to the center. Now I'm just going to reapply the blue color very carefully and then apply it on the lower lash line and take the light green color from before and put that in the center of the lower lash line. And I'm just taking a blending brush and blending all of that out. Alright, now I'm going to take a heavy metal glitter liner from Urban Decay in Midnight Cowboy and just add some extra glitter to the gold part of my lid and just kind of tap that in with my finger. And keep my eye closed for a second so that it can dry. I also want to add some glitter right in the center of the lower lash line. Right in my waterline, I'm going to use a Marc Jacobs eye pencil in this nice light blue color. Alright, now I'm going to do a black winged liner to finish off this eye look. Alright, the wing is complete, so now I'm going to apply mascara and a lash, and then we'll be right back. Alright, lashes are applied, so all that's left to do is add a lip. So I'm taking the NYX Lip Lingerie in the color Ruffle Trim, and I'm just going to apply that to one half of my mouth. Alright, the lip is applied, so now I want to more clearly define the mask. So I'm taking the same contour shade, and I'm just going to take it on a tapered blending brush like this, and just start to go around my lines and just blend them out so it looks like there's a shadow there. Right now I'm just taking the angled brush again, and I'm going to try to redefine the line that I made earlier. Alright, and this look is complete. I really love doing creative looks like this. I think it's super cool to like be more creative and like really show your artistic abilities. So I really like the way this turned out. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Sophia Doing Makeup. Leave a comment down below if you like more creative makeup looks like this. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.